Looks Rare just released a new update, and now they filter the items from collections that are marked as stolen. So, as you know, there are a lot of scams. Uh, NFTs get stolen, and after that, OpenSea um, marked them as stolen, so they cannot be traded anymore. And finally, Looks Rare just made the update. So in the right side, I have a small list with two items that aren't tradable on OpenSea, and another two that are tradable. So I will show you an example. So if this warning is here, this means that the item is not available on OpenSea for trading. So you won't want to send offers on this type of items. At the moment, it looks like the make offer button is still available. I hope in future they will cancel it. But the new update of the Looks Rare bot, it will simply scan the page, and if there are any warnings, it will move to the next item. So as you can see, the error is here on top, maybe unavailable on OpenSea. So now on the new update, the bot simply skips them. So let's make a quick run. I don't want to save this. Here is the 3.1. Let's make some settings. Let's put a small offer fix, and also the update includes the outbid module, so you are covered. We have birds here. Now let's run it. Okay, let me pull up the password to unlock the MetaMask. Okay, so we're ready to go. Just press OK, and now we will notice how the bot, it will skip the listings that are flagged. So the first one should be flagged, as you can see here, and now the bot noticed that it's flagged and it skips it. The second one, no flag, is sending offer. As you can see, offer made. Now we have two more, one more flag and one more clean. The third one, unavailable, and the fourth one is also unavailable. So yeah, the bot stopped. So we had 3 that are flagged and 1 that worked. So the bot skipped those 3 and send an offer to the good one. Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions, just hit us on Discord. We are available there for any question, and good luck.